Okay, these are the Stinger 6, brand new product. They're very similar to your other typical clips. They've got a thin nichrome wire bridge. They've a little bit thicker than the Predator, about the same as the Talon and the Easy Light. Comes bound up. It also has the wires pre-stripped for you, so all you have to do is pull these tabs off. We're going to go ahead and put this through the most difficult test that you're going to find out there. We're going to try to light all 6 at the same time, and also demonstrate how to put the Visco fuse in. Okay, what we're going to do first is you're going to notice this is how exactly it's going to come. What you're going to do is you're going to remove this, you're going to untwine this, you're going to break these clips apart so that there's going to be 6 individuals. Okay, I went ahead and I broke the individuals off the clips so you can have these to go where you need them to go. The next step will be to go ahead and break these thin wires down. There's 6 igniters, so it means there are 12 individual wires that you have to kind of break apart, and then we're going to wire it all in parallel. Okay, I went ahead and we hooked up all those wires into parallel, so that's basically connected. Polarity is not important on this because all we're going to do is we're going to send volts through each one. Power is going to go through the cable into each individual igniter at the same time, and there's a nichrome wire in there, and as the voltage hits the nichrome wire, it's going to heat up and it's going to ignite the Visco. This Visco, all you do is you open up the clip here, and you'll see a little channel. You may just barely be able to see it. That little channel is where the Visco goes. Once you get it in and it looks like it's seated, you go ahead and you push down on this to make sure that the Visco is pushed into that channel nice and tight, and then you hook it up with the firing system. The next step, I will demonstrate what a finished product looks like once the Visco is inside the channel. Okay, at this time I've got Visco in each of the igniters. Of course, the Visco represents what the what you'd be hooking into the fireworks. This would be the fuse, and the next step will be hooking this up to the firing system. For this demonstration, we're using the PowerLight Pro. The key is in the safe mode, the system is off, and the transmitter is also off. We're going to be hooking this into, we'll do the 7th cue here, and we'll test fire the system. Okay, now we're in our testing facility. I hooked up the igniters to, like I said, to Q7. Polarity is not important. Powering the system on to test. The blue light came on here indicating that we have continuity. Now we are in parallel, which means you can't individually test the continuity on each cue, but at least I know one of the 6 is good, and the only way to test individually would be to hook this into series. Which the problem with series is, as soon as the first wire burns up, you lose continuity on the rest of the circuit. So I don't tend to use series, I tend to use parallel, and then individually test if I wanted to. For instance, must-shoot effects, you individually test each one. Okay, we're going to go to ARM mode. System is in ARM mode, we're in single code. Arming the system. We are in Q7. I'm going to close this down to protect it. I don't need the antenna up at this range. The transmitter is now on. We're going to step back. We're going to fire in 3, 2, 1, firing. We've had all 6 fire.